Introduction: having a growth mindset, good time management skills, and setting and achieving goals are critical for success in both personal and professional life. A growth mindset allows one to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than as threats. Good time management skills enable one to accomplish more in less time and reduce stress. Setting and achieving goals gives a sense of purpose and direction and can lead to greater satisfaction and fulfillment. In this video, we will be discussing the strategies, tips and techniques that can help individuals develop a growth mindset, improve time management and set and achieve their goals in an effective way. What a growth mindset is and why it is important? A growth mindset is the belief that one's abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. This differs from a fixed mindset, which is the belief that one's abilities and intelligence are predetermined and cannot be changed. Having a growth mindset is important because it allows individuals to approach challenges and setbacks with a positive attitude, seeing them as opportunities for learning and growth rather than as threats. It also helps individuals to persist in the face of difficulties and to learn from their mistakes. Research has shown that individuals with a growth mindset tend to have higher levels of motivation, resilience, and achievement than those with a fixed mindset. A growth mindset can be applied in many different areas of life. Few examples are education. A student with a growth mindset will approach their studies with the belief that they can improve their intelligence and abilities through effort and learning. They will welcome challenges and view setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset can help them to achieve better grades and to enjoy learning. Career: an employee with a growth mindset will approach their job with the belief that they can improve their skills and abilities through training and experience. They will be open to feedback and be willing to take on new challenges, which will help them to grow professionally and to advance in their career. Sports: an athlete with a growth mindset will approach their sport with the belief that they can improve their performance through practice and training. They will view setbacks and losses as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as failures. This mindset can help them to achieve better performance and to enjoy their sport more. Personal relationships: an individual with a growth mindset will approach personal relationships with the belief that they can improve their communication and problem-solving skills through effort and learning. They will be open to feedback and willing to learn from their mistakes, which can lead to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. A few tips for developing a growth mindset. When faced with a challenge, it is easy to have negative thoughts such as "I can't do this" or "I'm not good enough." To develop a growth mindset, it's important to reframe these negative thoughts. Instead of focusing on what you can't do, focus on what you can do. Instead of saying "I'm not good enough," say "I will work on becoming better." A growth mindset means embracing challenges and viewing them as opportunities for learning and growth. When faced with a difficult task, try to see it as an opportunity to stretch yourself and to improve your skills and abilities. To develop a growth mindset, it's important to be open to feedback and to learn from others. Seek feedback from teachers, coaches, or mentors and consider how it can help you to improve. Having an attitude of gratitude and being thankful for opportunities to learn and grow.